Alright, so once you take the window out, whatever window you have, clean it. Make sure it's clean around all the edges. You know, you want this glass as clean as possible. Once you have the glass clean, you want to put on a layer of EVA, ethylene vinyl acetate, and you want to make sure you lay it down as flat as possible with as few bumps as you can, because where you see the bumps and ridges, later it'll just look like air bubbles in your panel. So the better you do it, the less air bubbles you get. So just lay it down. And now I've marked center on my piece here. Okay, so you're gonna need a sheet of TPE and 2 sheets of EVA. One on top of the glass, put your cells on there, set another layer, and then the TPE. Start out by finding your center on your glass and laying from the top down, because you want these tab wires, you want to start where they stick out and then work in that direction so that you get them down right. And then if you mark on your your EVA where you need to make sure and line them up, your panel will look pretty darn good. That's right. So this is a panel with all the cells laid out before I solder them together. And this will have 72 cells behind here at 0.5 volt each at 4 amps. Alright, so I finished making this panel. These are all the soldered cells. And then at the top, you got these coming off the fronts are negatives. The ones coming off the backs are the positive. Alright, this is a panel before I finished wiring it. It's all soldered together. The cells are sitting on EVA and glass. This is with a sheet of EVA rolled over the top. And you gotta cut 2 holes in it to get your positive and negative. Last but not least, you put the EVA, or the, TPE back sheet on there, making sure that you get the positive and negative leads out of the TPE. So how I seal the panel is I have this really nice ceramic 3-section heater, and I've created a little stand here out of aluminum, and I've riveted it all together to hold the sheets. Alright, so I have my propane heater here, 3-burner ceramic, and then there's my panel. So what you do is you gotta get this hot. Okay, and it has to cook at about 220. So you gotta kind of take it slow. You'll be able to start feeling the temperature change. And then what I do is I use a towel and I do circular motions like waxing the vehicle. Once it starts sticking, it'll go pretty quick. Alright, you can see as it heats up, heater's under here, as it heats up, you can see how the cells just press down. If you hear crinkling, like cells crunching underneath there, it's not hot enough. You gotta get it really melty in there. You rub it down like this. See how it's all showing up? As long as you got a good pattern in your back, you're good to go.